Welcome. In front of me is a Redmi Note 12 Pro, and today I will show you how you can capture a screenshot on this phone. So to get started, you will want to open up content that you wish to capture. I'll be using home screen as an example for this, so it's already open for me. But just make sure that your content is visible on the screen. From there, simply hold power key and volume down at the same time. You'll have this flash and a pop-up with the scroll and send option, and after a moment it just vanishes from your screen. Once that happens, you can find that screenshot in your gallery application. Now typically you would be located in the photos category right here, and it would appear as the newest one if you have just captured it. But if you want to come back to it later on, like weeks later, you most likely have some other content visible right here. So your screenshot will be somewhere like far down the list. So easier way to find that screenshot would be by going into the albums and then screenshots and screen recordings. Make sure that it's selected on the screenshots right here, and you can see it right over there. There's my screenshot. So there we go. Now, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.